If Lucidchart is giving you a shape library error, blank shapes, missing libraries, or upload problems, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. We'll cover how to re-add missing shape libraries, troubleshoot custom SVG or Visio stencil upload errors, clear browser issues, check hardware acceleration, and even move your work into a fresh document if the file itself is causing the problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump in. First, let's handle the most common issue, missing or blank standard shapes. In Lucidchart, press M on your keyboard or click Shapes in the top left corner of the toolbox. That opens the Shape Library Manager. From there, use the search bar to find the library you need. This is useful if a set of shapes disappeared, didn't load correctly, or isn't showing up in your toolbox. Once you find the library, tick the checkbox next to it. You can select one or multiple libraries depending on what you need for your diagram. After that, click Use Selected Shapes. Lucidchart will add those shapes back into your toolbox so you can keep working normally. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue immediately. Now, if your problem happens when uploading custom shapes, SVG files, or Visio stencil files like VSS or VSSX, there are a few things to check. First, make sure the file is within Lucidchart's size limit. If the file is too large, uploads can fail or throw an error. A good rule of thumb is to keep it under the 100 MB limit mentioned in the help guidance. If the file looks fine, try re-uploading it through the correct path. Go to More Shapes, then open My Libraries. Click the plus sign tile to add a new library, and then drag your newly formatted file into the manager. If the first upload failed because of formatting or a temporary glitch, this step often clears it up. Next, let's rule out browser problems. Sometimes Lucidchart shape libraries failed because of a bad cache, corrupted cookies, or an extension conflict. The fastest test is to open Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. If everything works there, your browser extensions are likely the cause. In particular, ad blockers and privacy extensions can interfere with rendering, so disable them one by one until you find the conflict. If Incognito doesn't solve it, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. You can choose last 7 days or all time, depending on how stubborn the issue is. Then click Clear Data, restart your browser, sign back into Lucidchart, and test the shape library again. Another setting worth checking is hardware acceleration or WebGL. Graphics rendering problems can cause shape libraries to freeze, lag, or display incorrectly. Go into your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. Make sure it is enabled. In some cases, turning it on helps Lucidchart render the libraries properly, especially if you're using a system with heavier diagrams or custom assets. If none of that works, the issue may be specific to the document itself. Corruption in one file can break shapes, connections, or library rendering. To test that, press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac to select all the shapes on your canvas. Then right-click and choose Copy. Open a brand new blank Lucidchart document, right-click on the page, and paste everything in. If the shapes work properly in the new document, the original file was likely the problem. That's really the best way to isolate whether the issue is your browser, your library upload, or the document itself. So to recap, re-add your missing libraries, check custom file size and re-upload path, test in Incognito, clear cache and cookies, verify hardware acceleration, and move the content into a new document if needed. If this video helped you fix the Lucidchart shape library error, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Lucidchart troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.